Okay. Just listen to me. I swear I didn't see anything. Nothing even happened. Well, just forget I saw you. Please. Please.
Of a bit. Jesus, calm down. Do you want us to look suspicious?
Marcus, this has gone too far.
I know. Just
What? This is so...
just let me think for a minute.
About what? He killed him.
Eddie, look, we gotta do this the right way, okay? I just need you to concentrate.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Okay, now let's just start talking. When was the last time you saw Roman?
I don't know. He doesn't even talk to me. You?
We were texting a couple days ago, but he didn't say anything about this. Okay. Look, assuming this was Roman.
Oh, it's Roman. I know this is Roman. That psychopath
Okay.
is...
Assuming this was Roman, can I finish?
Yeah.
We gotta find him now.
What if the cops already got him? Took out his parents and he skipped town. We have no idea
Eddie.
what...
Stop talking. I'm gonna call him. Roman.
Roman. You good? Yeah, sorry, I was just spacing.
Probably think about screwing Miss Gomez.
Hey, shut up.
She's hot!
Roman, don't worry about it. It happens to the best of us.
Not me.
Anyways, what we got?
Let's take a gander.
Jesus, did you pack for a family trip?
No, I did not. Looking like probably 240 cash, pack of 6. Thank you, Eddie. Easily $2,000 in jewelry. And whatever the hell this is.
Yeah, it's mine. I snagged it.
The sensual romance files.
Knock off. I like it.
Yeah, whatever floats your boat, my dude.
Well, it looks like we have time for another one. You guys in?
Yeah.
Roman.
That's it.
All right then.
Asshole!
What were you thinking? Jesus!
running out of the store, and my mask fell off. 2 guys saw me. I did what I had to do.
Bullshit. You did what you wanted to do.
Eddie. Why didn't you tell us? We could have figured it out. We don't kill people, okay? We don't kill people.
Yo, what are we gonna do about the second person? Exactly.
I know where he is.
Oh, so you've been planning this. How convenient.
Yes, I have. He goes to this church group on Tuesdays. I know where he's gonna be, and I can find him. I can fix this.
No. We can find him. We are going to fix this. Tonight.
You screaming, so help me God, I will cut you open so fast you'll be dead before you hit the ground. Okay? Well then, let's talk. What did you see?
Nothing. I didn't see anything.
Bullshit.
Okay. I don't know what I saw.
I thought so.
Look, if this is about you guys putting on masks, hitting random stores, it's nothing to me. I could care less. Okay? So how about you guys just relax and get the hell off my back, please?
You know what, Sam? There's a little problem that I have. I don't believe you.
Please, I'm not gonna talk to anybody. I have nobody to talk to.
You go to anyone. You say anything. If you mention us in passing.
Relax, right?
Roman! Roman! No! Stop! Fuck off! Roman! Keep it. Fuck!
Fuck you! Knock it off!
Stop it, just give me the spray. You spray it. Yeah, spray him for the hot tag.
See the complaint to Department 18, Sea Lake and Charlie. And for any fire people at 496, we got Dorset. Wants to speak to a trooper about a male subject. 372. George is en route to 496 Broadway. Do you have another assignment there, Central? What's the job you have at that location, Joe?